Today I want to show you guys this Olight Odin mini. Brand sent me to make video for you guys. As soon as you open your package, this is the package content. This is what you are going to get. This throws 240 meters and it has 1250 lumen power, and it can operate about 5 hours. So that is really nice. You can see you have all the information that you might see. You can see uh, those are the specifications for the product. So very easy to operate. You can see there is a button on the back. If you are just using this as a normal tactical flashlight, you can see it is really like small. You can easily fit in your hand just like this. So looks really nice. And on the bottom section you can see you have this mounting bracket connectors which comes inside the unit. You can see you have the mounting bracket. The way you just mount this, you press this all the way down and you can see it just allows this mechanism to just go. So you can just then slide it in and it just slides and you can see it will lock, and then you will be able to turn it off to just keep it if you want. So it has another connector. So if you decide to mount this, you have this option. This will allow you to easily turn on and off. You can see with the press of the button over here, you can see it just turn on and off. So that is really nice. And over here you can see this is magnetized. It is really nice strong magnet. It just attracts right away, and it has another locking system. You can see it also shows you over here. So in order to secure the cable over here, you just push it down, and once you do that, it doesn't come out. So that is really nice feature, and it's very easy. You just pull this back to yourself from here. You can see it just has this system. It just goes back and forth. So this locks inside the thread over here. So while it's in the lock position, it just stays securely. So really nice. So overall looks really nice, very easy to operate. If you decide to use in the hand, you can easily do so, and you can easily take this out. It comes with bunch of screw. You have two screws and two zip tie over here and alien key, and you can see you have the magnetized charger. While you want to charge it, all you have to do is just place it in, it will charge. So looks really nice. And over here from the front, it looks like the shape of the muzzle actually. So looks really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light, maybe head out and show you guys how strong this is. As you guys can see right now, I'm inside the room and I just turn it on, and this is how it looks. You can see it has really nice good amount of uh, brightness. You can easily look through. So you can just close, you can see we don't see anything. So once you activate it, it has like the vibration. Once you activate it, just gives you a vibration. So I'm gonna go outside and show you guys how it looks outside. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see right now, I'm outside, and as soon as I turn this on, you can see I'm easily able to identify this is my backyard. I was just planting some stuff actually. So you can see I'm easily able to see, and you can see it has this nice spotlight. It just gives you really nice visibility, and you can see it has nice large coverage once you point anywhere, and you have really nice call distance. Overall this works really well. You can see I'm easily able to identify what is going on over here. So works really well. You can see the amount of light we have over here. Once you turn it off, you can see it's almost pitch black. I don't see anything on the floor. As soon as I just turn it on, it just brights up. So really nice, very cool tactical flashlight. You can mount it or you can just use it while you are holding in your hand. So works really well. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.